Make sure to subscribe and stay connected with us. Listen and practice.
My name is Mariana. I live in an apartment in the city. Now I'm going to tell you something about myself. I'm very forgetful. I always forget where I put my keys. I often forget what I should be doing. That's why I always feel stressed. But yesterday was an exception. I remembered everything I had to do. First, I had to go to the supermarket. I bought some fruit and vegetables. Then I went to the clothing store. I bought a new shirt and a pair of jeans. Finally, I went to the bookstore. I bought a new book. After that, I went home. I had to do my own laundry because mine had piled up. I washed, dried, and folded all my clothes. Then I cleaned the kitchen. I vacuumed the floor. I dusted the furniture and I did the dishes. It was really tiring, but I'm glad I did it. Today I was going to meet my best friend. We were going to play basketball, but he sent me a message. He said, "Happy birthday." I felt very bad. How could I forget his birthday? We've been friends since we were kids. I quickly called him and said sorry. He said it was okay and we made plans to meet at a special restaurant. I bought him a present. Not only that, but we also went to a concert. We listened to our favorite band. I was so happy that I made him happy. We're best friends and will always be there for each other.